beautiful girl.
No, yeah. Most no.
What happened? Did Daddy throw it away?
This is not the baby.
Are you going to see Jake? You can?
This is the mommy. This is Jake.
Oh, see Jake. You want to go see Jake?
Why want a bike? Want a bike?
Okay, let's go see Jake. Ano sa pa ka maabot na?
Mommy, you go faster?
Go faster! Afternoon, welcome back to our channel. It is Monday ulit, guys. Yes, it's Monday ulit, and it's currently yung oras na ba? 2:21 ng hapon, and nag-lunch break lang ako, guys, kasi itong bata natin ay nagdididi na. What would you like, Baba? Didi. It's nap time na for Paris, guys, kaya ipapatulog muna natin ang ating baby girl. Say hi, friends. Lagi. Say hi, friends. Didi dayo na ta. What's no?
It's a baby cry.
The baby's crying. Why? Why is the baby crying?
Baby.
Nagmanya-manya is ang baby.
Mommy.
See? See? Is that your face? Say hi, guys.
The eyes and the face. It's a face.
It's the face. It's the face and the nose. Where's your tongue? Where's your dila? Dila ba?
Nagafro.
Gruffalo. Good night sa tita.
No.
I-close na natin ang blinds. May nagtanong pala, guys, one of our subscriber na napansin daw niya na walang cortina daw ang aming bahay. Sabi ko, nag-reply ako na meron kaming ganito. So, may blinds siya, sis. Ayan. So, hindi nakikita ang aming lobot. Ayan. So, pag nagnanap si Paris, ito lang yung kino-close ko. Hindi talaga yung fully block talaga na blinds. Ayan. Para peaceful ang tulog ng ating baby girl. Dili na lagi magmanya. Mag-sleep na lagi. Paris is riding her bike.
Pink bike.
Pink bike.
Joe, Paris. Oh, it's stuck.
Are you stuck? No, you're not stuck. Push. Ay, sus. Be, Mama will push you, Be. Good girl. Did you big girl riding the bike?
Oh, it's stuck.
Na, sige lang ka stuck.
Mommy, it's stuck.
Are you stuck?
Look,
Where?
it's blocking.
Broken. The wheel is broken. I don't think so. It's okay. It's not broken, my love. Come on, let's go check the mailbox. Ride your bike. We'll go check the mailbox.
No, I'm walking.
We're walking. Okay, go check the mailbox then. See if there's anything for us, honey. Oh, where's ours, Baba? Don't open kung dili imo, ha?
That one.
That one. Anything? Nothing? Nothing, Mon.
Oh, my bike.
Go get your bike.
Oh, where's Tommy?
It's now 5 o'clock ng hapon, and as usual, What's wrong? Did you fall down? Oh no! Get up, honey! Kakatapos lang nating mag-work, and pinaglaro ko lang si Paris outside kasi it's getting dark now. So before siya magngit-ngit ba, paglaruin muna natin ang ating baby girl. And guys, guess what? See this bike here? This cute pink bike? What's the color of your bike, Nak?
Pink.
Pink. Di ba na-mention ko sa inyo the other day, guys, na yung dito sa amin ngayon, naka-schedule siya na, oh, hurt your knees. Call the doctor?
Yes.
Okay, I'll call the doctor.
He don't?
Sit down na sa imong bike. Careful. There you go.
Hi, boo-boo.
Okay, push na, mama will push. Do you know how to drive?
The brushing.
Come on na.
The boo-boo.
Careful kayo, you might fall na. Come na.
It's a bean.
It's a bean. So, dito sa lugar namin, guys, naka-schedule yung mga hard rubbish, diba? For the 3rd till 7th of August. Kaya ito sa mga ano namin, sa gilid-gilid ng mga bahay namin, yung mga basura na ba. And this one here, itong laruan ni Paris. Yan. Nakuha namin dyan, guys. Oh. So, nakita yan kanina ni Daddy Mike nung naglakad-lakad si Daddy Mike, guys. Kaya kinuha niya. Very sayang kasi sobrang ganda pa talaga. Nalalaruan pa ni... enjoy ni Paris ba? Tapos kami naman, si Daddy Mike kaninang mga lunchtime, nagtingin-tingin siya sa garage namin ba kasi may mga bagay kami na hindi na namin ginagamit. Tapos yung may mga nakabox pa talaga. Hindi ko na alam kung anong laman ng mga boxes. Pero nilabas lahat ni Daddy Mike, guys. Tingnan nyo ang mga na tapon ni Daddy Mike, guys. Oh, yung mga laruan ni Paris ba? Sayang talaga. Tingnan nyo, oh. So, ito yung sa amin. Ito, laruan to ni Paris, guys. Meron pa yung mga ano sa ilalim. Ito, oh. Ang dami pa kasi. Itong mga sinasabi ko na malaki pa na mga laruan ni Paris ba. Ayan kasi, ewan ko, ilalagay ko kasi ito sa box sana. Pero ayan, nandito na, nilabas lahat ni Daddy Mike ba para ma-clear na yung garage. Yes, anak, that's yours, man. Sayang talaga. Ito, kay Paris din to, ang scooter. Hala, tinapon na pala to ni Daddy Mike, tong scooter na to. Tapos, meron pang isa dito, guys. O, yung unicorn ni Paris. Ito, tingnan nyo, guys. Ang gaganda pa talaga, guys. Pero, wala naman kaming mapaglagyan.
It's wet.
What is it? Yeah, it's wet. The baby's wet, nak.
This is my daddy brush.
Wala na kasing space sa bahay. Kaya, yan.
Right.
Kaya nga yung bike din ni Paris na yan, oh. 'Di ba? Sa silingan din yan, guys. Kinuha lang namin sa silingan. Kaya baka may dito, may maglakad-lakad din ba na ay makakita nito. Makuha din nila. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ayan. Ito pa. I remember this one. Yan talaga yung pinaka-old na laruan ni Paris. Naalala niya siguro.
Mommy!
Naglaruan niya ngayon, oh.
It's wet.
Yes, honey. That's wet. Don't touch that one, nak, because it's wet. Nak, kunin natin balik yan, nak. Uy,
Mommy.
yung mga maliliit ba? Okay, sayangan man ko. Uy, mapadalas akong pag umangkon ba?
It's yours.
Put it here, nak. Oh. Yung daddy, kay kapuyan, nagasamuka naman siya daghan kaayo sa sunod sa balay. Kaya tinapon lahat.
But
This one, nak. Oh,
T1.
put this back. Nalang, malingaw imong igagaw, anin, nak.
Square. Red triangle.
Kaya yung mga bata dito ba, very buhong kaayo sila sa ilang mga Wala, naningog na yung mga dula, anak. Ayan, may libro pa, guys. Oh, kinuha ko ulit ba? Kahit konti lang, oh, kasi pag nagpadala ako ng box next time. Yes, honey. Tapos ito pang bag ni Paris, oh. Ayan, oh. Na, hindi pa na mo nagamit, nak. Gilabay yung papa. Wow. Beautiful girl. Beautiful girl.
It's no there. Much no.
What happened? Did Daddy throw it away?
It's not the baby.
Unsa daw? Oh, ayun na, ibutang ko, anak. Ibutang na, diha kaya ito, ibutang sa box na to. Itong sa garage kayo mo. That's it, nanak. Uy, yung iba pa dyan, guys. Uy, yung mga, hindi ko alam talaga kung anong laman ng mga box na yan na. Kasi hindi na namin pinasok sa bahay ba nung nag-move kami dito last February kami nag-move dito. Tapos yung may mga nakalagay pa sa mga box. Yes, hala, she found another Bag. Wow. Wow. Sabi ko kay Mike na pa-check sa kanya ba? Kasi baka may mga may mga kailangan pa kami. Sabi niya, kung hindi natin pinasok dito sa bahay, ibig sabihin wala na. Kaya yun. So guys, you won't believe it, right? So kinalkal ko tong mga oh yes, may anak tayong doktor dito. Oh. Is mama okay? Kinalkal ko lahat dito guys, yung mga nakalabas ba. And you can't believe guys kung anong nakita ko na tinapon ni Mike. I don't think alam niya na nandito. Tingnan niya, nilabas ko oh. Yung laptop niya guys, nandito, nabuang. Itong mga ganito, oh, napa sa mga box. Ito yung screen protector ng aking phone. Ayan lahat. Mga DVD ni Paris. Although hindi nagagamit ni Paris, pero still may mga mabibigyan kami niyan ba? Hala, I think titingnan ko pa yung mga nasa loob niyan kasi may mga bagay pa siguro diyan na kailangan talaga namin na tinapon ng kanyang ama. Hala ka, anak. What is it?
A pen.
A pen? It's not a doctor, no. It's a DVD. It's very hard to open, man. It's very hard to open. Ayan guys, so kinuha ko yung dalawang boxes. Ito, nilagay ko yung mga need pa talaga. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh, I can't believe na tinapon ni Mike ba. Ayan, Royal Doton pa to siya. Hindi pa nagamit ni Paris. Ito yung hinahanap ko kasi magagamit na to ngayon ni Paris kasi kumakain na. Ayan, tapos yung mga damit ko na nasa ito yung jacket ko na nilagay ko dito kasi nga 'di ba? Pang winter pa. Ayan, may jacket pa diyan. Meron pang mga vest na ganito. Ayan, oh. Tinapon ni Mike. Mama, we'll get ko anak. The keys for the garage. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Mommy,
Good job! Good job, honey! Push! Wow! Wow! More! Yeah, more! Oh, careful, anak! More! Uy! Big girl naman kay kanak. Oy. Come on, let's go get the keys for the garage. Push, mama. 1. Sige, drive. Drive towards study. Ipasok natin ulit sa garage, guys. Ayan. So, kaya nilabas lahat ni Daddy Mike yung mga boxes. Kasi, ito yung ginawa niya sa garage, guys. Nandito lahat yung mga gamit niya. Where's the light for the garage, Daddy? Oh, this one. Is that all? Murang magnagkandila. So, ito yung ginawa niya, guys. Itong mga gamit niya for his gym. Yung treadmill na binili namin. God knows kailan. And then this one. Oh, diba? Tapos yung mga aparatos nga niya sa kanyang pag-gym. Ganyan, dito. Meron pa siyang bike dito. And then yung mga boxing-boxingan niya. Tapos may bench press dito. Nandito ang kanyang salamin. Kaya yun yung dahilan. Kaya nilabas niya lahat. Kasi dito, yung mga boxes kasi, dito yun before. Dyan, oh. Kaya hindi siya maano. Parang gapiutan siya ba. Kaya nilabas niya lahat. Ayan, mag-ano sila.
Walk.
Walk na!
Walk. Walk.
Quick!
Quick, quick, quick.
Nagay, hinay kayo mo mo. Walk when you have to walk, anak. Kay mamumo ka na. Uy, uy, anak! Madlaw, daddy ka karon.
Keep walking. Keep walking.
Keep on!
Keep walking.
Wow! Are you exercising na?
Go, 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 go. Walk faster, faster.
Walk faster na. Kahinay. Baka na, oy, magula nakatutoy.
Oh no. Good looking.
Okay.
Good job, honey.
Mommy?
You wanna ride a bike? Ang bata natin na ayaw pumasok.
Why
Sabi,
you
pumasok na
ride a
tayo kasi sobrang ginawa sa
bike?
labas.
Why
Dabay.
you ride a bike?
Yeah, you ride the bike na.
Why? Why?
Tignan niyo guys, oh, super nice talaga guys.
Sit down,
Tingnan-
mommy.
Yeah, mama will sit down. Hang on. Oh, super cute, di ba? Ayan, oh.
Mommy,
Pang baby girl talaga.
sit down, sit down.
Sit down. Mama, we can't sit down because it's too small. And also guys, pakita ko sa inyo itong ano. Tingnan niyo, oh. Yung flower na bigay ko pala kay Daddy Mike sa birthday niya. Super nice.
Sit down. Sit down, mommy. Sit down.
I'm too big, honey.
And that?
Okay, hang on. Gusto niya akong mag-sit down dito sa likod, guys.
We're gonna take.
Are you going to see Jake?
We're gonna take and ride a bike.
Oh, you ride the bike and go see Jake? Oh my God, nak, ang babae man manulong di maayo na.
No, mommy. This is Paris.
Paris, are you gonna go see Jake? Okay. Imo kong gipasakay, imo kong gibiyaan. Paasa lagi na. Ha?
Sit down, Dad.
Tama. You can?
This is the mommy. This is Jake.
Oh, see Jake. You wanna go see Jake?
Why ride a bike? Let's ride a bike.
Okay, let's go see Jake. Kano sa pa ka maabot na?
Mommy, go faster.
Go faster. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ikaw pa yung mag-go faster. Ngeng. Okay, you ready, Paris?
Yes.
Let's go. So, ready? Ready? Steady?
Go.
Go! We'll go see Jake. So wave to our friends. We'll go see Jake. Woohoo!
Mommy, you take off.
Is that flamingo?
Yes.
Where?
You take off.
Where, B? Oh. That's pelican, honey.
I'm the funny.
It could be pelican.
It's a Migo. No, it's a turtle.
It's a turtle.
It's not the ghost.
What's that?
It's a ghost.
It's a ghost. Is it a ghost?
No, it's the ghost and the apples.
Octopus. That's right.
What's that?
What's that?
A fishy.
A fishy.
What's that?
A fishy.
Clownfish.
Clownfish. That's right.
Yeah,
Oh, very
clownfish.
smart. What's this one?
Starfish.
Starfish.
What's that?
What's that one?
Shark.
Shark. That's right. Shark. Daddy. Daddy.
Yes.
Paris said clownfish. She knows.
Wow.
Shark.
A shark. That's right.
Turn it up.
That's an epinette.
Time check guys, it's now 9 o'clock ng gabi and we are now in bed. And also, nakaano na pala ako, nakahilamos na ako. And oh, ang ating baby girl ay umiinom pa ng kanyang milk. Paris, ani? Are you okay? And si Daddy Mike ay nasa couch kasi may pinapanood pa siya. Tinanong ko pala siya kanina kasi nga 'di ba yung laptop na tinapon niya. Sabi ko hindi mo talaga chinek yung mga box no kasi may mga nakita ako na binalik ko talaga sa garage guys kasi nasayangan ako ba. I can still do something with that. Parang yung mga DVDs, yung mga ganun, pwede ko yung ipadala sa Pinas kasi kakasya naman yun siya sa box. Pero yung mga malalaking mga laruan talaga, pwede na yun i-dispatch siya ba. And hopefully, makatulong din sa kanila katulad nung sa bike ni Paris kanina, diba? Sobrang ganda pa talaga nung bike, guys. Nakita nyo naman. It was super cute and gustong-gusto talaga ni Paris. Kaya I'm very happy with that. So see, someone's trash is someone's treasure. Anyways, guys, i-end na natin yung vlog dito kasi i-ready ko pa yung mga gamit ni Paris for childcare tomorrow. Kasi bukas ay Tuesday, so may childcare si Paris. I-ready ko pa yung dadalhin niya and also yung susuotin niya. And I'll get her to bed na. Gusto ko lang i-welcome yung mga bago nating subscribers. Maraming salamat sa pag-subscribe sa ating channel. And I'm really hoping na nagugustuhan niyo yung mga videos natin. And now guys, I'm just going to do a quick shout out. And the first shout out goes to Kusha Basham, Lina de los Santos, Lisan Bansil, Janet Gordon, James Rudolph Pasinio Anuver, Mary Ann Cardoza, Amethyst Drake, Elsie Maglangit, Angel Chris Barte, Eves Cruz, Princess Montemayor, and also kay Sarah Montemayor. Shout out to Daya Magallanes, Sandra James from Las Vegas, USA, Mitch Cantumayor, Robles Family Vlog, Arlene Hoover, Feli Ilamparo, Grace Haganas, Rosine Marquez, Juna Sibunga, Richel Mandao. Shout out to Fe Guarnes, Dwayne Yuhal, Ana Damate, Viuli S, Nieves Opilas, Niana Castres, Our Life Australia Philippines, Evert Suta 53, Ginalyn Pasinio, Lynn Simple Love, Chari Tamayo, Rowena Gomera, Nigs Goodyo, Gina Pretty, Joymi Godoy, Paula Rocky, Inday Gaitana, Ani Sarabusing, Alma Lee, Ifigenia Zarate, Blair Villanueva, Sue Salvador, Mikalian 08, Glady Mandanhuyan, Sharon Ando, Apple Evangelista, Jay Cruz, Agnes Zorbito, Cleo Marie Barrios, Rosemary La Rosa, Anita Valdez, Marilu Corpus, Ginia Dular, Maglasang Suzette, Lexron Jem, Andrea Bautista, Rosemary Ramoir, M. Jean Pareja, Isabel Loczon, Elisa Samiliano, La Arnie TV, Ophelia Suryaga Castro, Maribel Patiag, Simply Living, Me ASMR, Fabulous Janie, Mary Icaro, Maria Sheila Rubia, Maricel Torres, Norberta Nono, Mary Jane Subere, Mylene Franco, Eugene Kudpi, Ninita Espirito, Matlids Travel, Nature and Lifestyle, Tuyang sa Austria, Jing de Asis, Chanting Tech, Brenda Leah Bailon, and Teresita Abaluyan. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family. Ang ating baby girl ay very focused. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Love you guys. Bye! Mwah!